And some cars are built to get you from A to B. Others become legend. In South Africa, the BMW is more than just a car. It's a symbol of an era, a machine that defined performance, passion, and prestige. Today we're proud to unveil this fully restored ice white BMW 325 IS, painstakingly rebuilt by the team at Glossworx Customs. This isn't just a restoration, guys. This is history brought back to life. So every panel has been stripped to bare metal, every imperfection corrected, every panel gap aligned to factory specifications. The bodywork captures exactly what BMW intended over the 3 decades. Look closely, guys. The reflections, the crisp body lines, the deep gloss. This is how an E30 325 IS should look.
From the streets of South Africa, a legend never fades. Years may pass, but icons don't disappear. They return. Ice white 325 eyes. Born in an era when the roads had soul. 4 wheels, 1 heart, made of solid gold. Years on the clock, but the spirit stayed. Through every scar, through every shade. We stripped it down, took it back to the bone. Built it with passion, made it our own. Every line, every curve, every detail right. Now she's standing tall in ice white.
A true restoration isn't measured by fresh paint. It's measured by the details. Every molding, every clip, every badge, every seal. Everything either restored, refurbished, or replaced to ensure that the car looks as though it just rolled off the BMW showroom. Nothing here, guys, has been overlooked. This car completely detailed to a level that we are proud of. So you immediately transported back to the golden era of BMW. Fresh upholstery, factory correct finishes, original switchgear, every stitch, every texture, and every surface on this car is amazing and perfect. The goal wasn't to modernize this car. The goal was to preserve its soul. And definitely by the looks of this interior, this car has a lot of soul. So underneath the bonnet lies the heart of this legend. Every component carefully restored. Every bracket is refinished, every hose clamp and fastener is considered and redone. The engine bay is as clean as the exterior because true craftsmanship does not stop when people or where people stop looking. At Glossworx Customs, we don't restore cars simply to make them beautiful. We restore them so they can be appreciated for generations to come. Hundreds of hours, thousands of individual decisions, one objective. Perfection, because classics deserves more than repairs. It deserves perfection. If you enjoyed this restoration, make sure you subscribe because we have some incredible builds to come. From concourse restoration to full nut and bolt rebuilds. We'll be bringing you behind the scenes of every one of them. Leave a comment below and tell us exactly which BMW is your favorite BMW build. From all of us at Glossworx Customs, thank you for watching, and we're gonna see you guys on our next build.
White on white, rolling through the city. Old school body, but the stand's too pretty. 2 doors down, everybody knows when the E30 pulls up, the whole street slows. No need to talk, let the 6-cylinder speak. Clean from the hood to the wheels underneath. Years went by, but the soul stays strong. Now she's back where she always belonged. Ice, ice, white like diamonds in the night. 325, yeah, she still got that bite. Ice, ice, South African sunshine. E30, still ahead of its time. Back in the day, this was the machine. Now she's cleaner than she's ever been. Old school badge with a brand new glow. Everybody watches when she hits the road. No filters needed, look at that shine. Every single panel sitting perfectly aligned. From Joburg streets to the midnight lights, she's bringing back memories with every drive. Ice, 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 white like diamonds in the night. 3325, yeah, she still got that bite. Ice, 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 South African sunshine. 30, still ahead of its time. Don't call it old, call it legendary. Don't call it classic, call it history. And when that engine comes alive, you already know. Ice, let it shine. 3325, one of a kind. Ice, under African skies, the legend came back, and she came back. Why? 3255, E30, no explanation needed. Just listen.